Apple's products are quite expensive, and usually with the price comes the quality. But sometimes your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Apple Watch or AirPods can stop working for no reason. Even if Apple's devices are very well designed, both internally and externally, no one can promise you that your particular device will not be affected by any random problem or issue, even if it's brand new or in perfect condition. That's why Apple gives us 1 year limited warranty for all its products. When you pay more than $1,000 for a smartphone or almost $300 for a pair of AirPods, so-called Pro, you expect it to work for at least 1 year. If you're having any kind of issues with your Apple product and your device is still covered by the warranty, this video is made for you. When it comes to the warranty policy, Apple was always offering one of the best, if not the best service for its affected devices. In most cases, if you are having any troubles with your device, they will just replace your broken device with a brand new one absolutely free of charge. It's as simple as that. I used Apple's warranty at least 10 to 15 times in my life, and in this video I would like to explain you how it works and how you can claim your legal right to repair or replace your iDevice without paying a single penny. If you want to support me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. By the way, it's free as well. Let's be honest, when you're paying a lot of money for your iPhone, you want it to be perfect, literally perfect. It should work as the manufacturer says, and even a small problem can be submitted as a warranty case. I mean, for this price, it should be even more than perfect. What is Apple's limited warranty? Let's read Apple's official statement about the warranty. Your Apple branded hardware product is warranted against defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of original retail purchase warranty period. If a defect arises during the warranty period, Apple, at its own opinion, and to the extent permitted by the law, will repair the product at no charge using new parts or parts that are equivalent to new in performance and reliability. Exchange the product with a functionality equivalent product that is new or equivalent to new in performance and reliability, or refund the original purchase price. But there are some cases when your device is not covered by the warranty. Apple's warranty excludes damage resulting from abuse, accident, modifications, or other causes that are not defects in materials and workmanship. Don't forget about water damage. When your device comes to Apple for the diagnostic, they can easily find out if the device was previously opened, repaired, or if it has any kind of water damage. So be aware, if you caused damage to your device, you are responsible for that. In any other case, you can use an Apple warranty. How to check if your device is still covered by the warranty? In Settings, find the serial number of your device and go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Paste your serial number and check if your device is still covered by the warranty. Or you can simply find the purchase date of your product, if we are talking about brand new devices. How to program a repair or free replacement? Go to getsupport.apple.com, sign in, choose your product. Then you will need to select your particular problem. You can either choose from the proposed list or type manually your issue and try to describe the problem in your own words. From here, you have two repair options: send to repair or bring to repair, and two support options, if you need to ask about something or make sure that your case will be covered by the warranty. Choose between get a phone call from Apple support or chat with them directly. Now let's talk about the repair options. Bring to repair means you will need to go to the nearest Apple store or Apple's authorized service provider to get the repair or the replacement done. Let's try this option. I have an Apple store not far away from my home, so I can book a visit there. Just choose the best option for you, select a time slot, and basically that's all you need to do to program a repair service from Apple. Once you will go there, you will meet Apple's Genius support team. They will take care of you and your device. Just simply explain your issue and give them your device for the diagnostic. Don't forget to back up your data in case you get a new device. You will get an email informing you that your device will be inspected and repaired. Usually it takes 3 to 5 working days to get a device repaired or replaced. But from my experience in Paris, it happens even faster. You might already get your device back on the next business day. Usually they are simply giving you a brand new device, it depends on your particular case. The second option is to send your device for repair or replacement via UPS carrier. It's a great choice for people who don't have an Apple store nearby or simply don't have free time to go to the Apple store or look for an authorized service provider. Apple will send you a UPS delivery guy with the box. Usually he comes on the next day after submitting your demand. Just give him your device and he will put it in the box and ship it to Apple. Then just wait for the diagnostic email informing you about the status of your repair. Once your device is repaired or replaced, you will get an email with a UPS tracking number and all the details about your Apple product that will be shipped back to you. Usually the same UPS guy will bring you back your device. It's as simple as that. From my experience, the repair or replacement using a UPS carrier takes usually from 3 to 4 days. I mean, from the moment you submitted your problem to Apple to the day you will get a new or repaired device in your hands. Let's talk about Apple's service programs. Time to time, Apple releases a free replacement program for some devices that the company officially recognizes as problematic. That was my case with AirPods Pro service program for sound issues. Apple has determined that a small percentage of AirPods Pro may experience sound issues. Affected units were manufactured before October 2020. Since my pair of AirPods Pro was bought before October 2020, I decided to replace it for free, just to have a fresh device. And by the way, the Apple service program is not limited in time. It means even if the warranty is expired, you can still replace the product for free. Nowadays, if it's a warranty case, Apple will just give you a brand new device. Every time I had problems, Apple always gave me a brand new product. Once I got some problems with the keyboard on my 13-inch MacBook Pro 2017, they replaced the keyboard. 1 month later, the problem occurred again, and this time they gave me a new computer. They replaced my computer over and over again, free of charge. That's not my fault that Apple poorly designed its MacBook's keyboard mechanism. Actually, it's not very eco-friendly to do that every time, but I hope Apple properly recycled my previous computer. What about the Apple Watch? Apple Watch is never repaired by Apple. It means if it's a warranty case, they will always give you a new Apple Watch. That's what happened to me several times in a row. My Apple Watch Series 7 just randomly showed me a red screen of death after several months of usage. They made a diagnostic to make sure it was not broken by me and just sent me a new Apple Watch, the same green Apple Watch Series 7. Finally, I was so happy because I had some scratches on my previous watch. Apple Watch is a very sophisticated product, not easy to repair. That's why Apple always gives you a new one if a problem occurs. AirPods, same story. Anytime you will have a problem with your AirPods, you can ask Apple for a free replacement. Just give them the old pair of your earbuds and you will get a brand new one. As simple as that. I remember I replaced mine for free on the last day of the warranty because I find out that Apple made a special replacement program for AirPods Pro users because some of them came with sound issues right out of the factory. I asked Apple to send me a UPS guy, they checked the serial number and all the details, they confirmed that I have a right to have a free replacement, and Apple shipped to me a box with a new pair of AirPods Pro inside. How cool is that? You will never get the same service and attention to details in any other company. In some way, Apple is a religion. My experience with repairing or replacing iPhones. iPhone 12 Pro Max case. Recently, my iPhone 12 Pro Max randomly stopped working after updating to iOS 16. Again, same story. I called Apple and asked to send me a UPS delivery guy. 2 days later, I got a brand new iPhone. Simple and fast. The funny fact about that is actually I got a fully new device with 100% of battery health and no scratches on the housing and screen because my previous iPhone was a little bit tired. By using an Apple warranty, I got a free new iPhone that I hope will be working for at least several years. But in my history, I had one case when Apple refused my warranty claim. It happened to me with my iPhone 7 Plus in a very stylish jet black color. I broke it on the first day of usage. You remember the iPhone 7 was the first iPhone that came with water resistant feature, and I decided to test it by going to the shower and listening to some music. Guys, after spending just several minutes under the shower with my iPhone, it stopped playing music. I had some water damage, and I knew that because when I opened the SIM slot, I saw an orange indicator activated. It means iPhone was in contact with water. Anyway, I decided to bring it to Apple and claim it as a warranty case, but they refused. I was so mad because water resistance was presented as the main feature of this iPhone, and I was not diving with it. I just went to the shower for several minutes. Apple proposed me to pay 80% of the price and give me a new iPhone, as it was my fault. I refused and asked them to return my broken device, and big surprise, it was working. When Apple opened my phone, it auto-repaired itself somehow, but since they discovered the water damage, they were not able to propose me a repair or replacement service, since it was already damaged. I hope you got the idea. When I found out that my iPhone was working, I came back to Apple screaming on them, saying that they are motherfuckers and they just asked me to pay for an already working phone. They explained that I had a lot of luck this time, but if my iPhone will have any other issues again, any damage will not be covered by the warranty because it had already water damage. So I crossed my fingers and I left the Apple store with my iPhone 7 Plus, hoping that it will be working fine. And it did work perfectly for at least 4 years, even being water damaged. I never tested water resistance on my device again, and I do not recommend you to do that either, because if it will be broken, Apple will not repair or replace your device. We can have some long discussions about the quality of Apple products, but one thing is true: if your Apple product has a problem, in 99% of cases, Apple will replace or repair it for free. It's their policy and it works. Just use it. It's your legal right. You paid a part of the price of your device to get this warranty, so do not hesitate to use it anytime you have even a small issue with your Apple device. Anyway, it's free. Guys, I hope this video helped you and I answered all your questions about the Apple warranty. Do not hesitate to share in the comment section your repair stories. Was it as easy as mine? If you have any additional questions, please ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.